Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. I'm going to show you how to break into a Sentry safe in less than 5 seconds, right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Now, I do have the key to this. Just want to prove to everybody. Okay. Locked. Okay, the only thing you're going to need is one of these fingernail clippers with a little file on it. You're going to stick it in like you would a normal key, all the way back, turn it, just like that. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.